This video is directed to iOS users. Some people think eavesdropping only happens in movies. But the truth is, there are simple settings on your phone that can let someone listen to your calls or read your messages without you knowing. In this video, you'll learn the signs that prove someone is actually watching you and how to stop them in seconds before they get any of your information. Stay focused. This is more dangerous than you think. Sign 1. Call forwarding. This feature is useful sometimes, but if it's enabled without your knowledge, it becomes an entry for eavesdropping. Check like this. Open Settings, Apps, Phone, Call forwarding. If you find it on or linked to a number that's not yours, turn it off immediately or delete the number. Also from the phone app, try these codes. They work with most carriers. General check. Star number 21 number call. If it shows not forwarded, then you're fine. Busy check. Asterisk number 67 number asterisk call. Cancel all forwarding. Double hash 002 number sign call. You should get a message saying the cancellation succeeded. If the codes don't work, or you see a strange message, contact your carrier's customer service and ask them to cancel any unauthorized call forwarding on your line. Sign 2. Text message. Forwarding or Apple ID linked devices. Messages on Apple can be sent to multiple devices under the same account. If there's a device that's not yours with permission, it can see your messages. Check like this. Settings. Apps. Messages. Choose Send and Receive. Make sure that under You can receive iMessages to and reply from, only your phone number and your email appear. If you find a strange email or number, tap it to remove it or sign out of your Apple ID. Also, go to Settings. Tap your profile picture. iCloud. Messages. Turn the option off if you don't want messages to sync with any other device on the account. Sign 3. Strange SIM applications lists. Some carriers show a SIM menu inside Settings. Check, if it appears for you, Settings. Cellular. You might find SIM applications. If the menu shows strange names or codes, like incomprehensible codes, words like remote, or config, or forward, or spy, don't open them. Take a screenshot and contact customer service. Tell them there are unexplained items showing in the SIM menu, and ask them to verify your line is secure. This menu isn't present for everyone. Its presence depends on the carrier. If you made it this far, congrats, you're now smarter than anyone who might try to monitor you. Always watch your settings, because your privacy isn't a luxury, it's your real security. Subscribe if you want to learn all the secrets companies don't want you to discover. See you in the next video.